Want to be seen more on Tinder and you don't know how to? Well, worry not, we're here to help. Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to be seen more on Tinder. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface, and right now we want to boost ourselves on Tinder. In this tab, right here you'll see a lightning icon. Simply click on it and this will open up. Well, it simply says be seen, be your top profile in your area for 30 minutes to get more matches. In case you do not find this icon, what you can do is simply go to your profile, the button's at the top left, simply click on it. Then this page will open up. Well, at the left section right here you can see the lightning icon once again. It says get more boost, simply click on it. Likewise, the same page will open up. To be seen more in your area, what you can do is simply buy these boosts right here. There are a few options like 1 boost, 5 boosts or 10 boosts. It's up to you, whichever one you want. Else you can also buy Tinder Gold. The option is up to you. Only when you buy these boosts, then will your profile be seen more in your area. Well guys, that's it. That's how you boost yourself or be seen more on Tinder. It's quite easy. All you need to do is buy these boosts. Well guys, that's it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.